Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another vlog. So as you guys saw, I've had a pretty productive morning so far. I did do a workout on my treadmill without my Apple Watch because PJ has hidden it somewhere around here and I cannot find it. I cannot do a workout without my Apple Watch. So the fact that I was able to get a run in successfully without my watch says a lot. Fortunately, I was able to just kind of zone out to my workout playlist. That kind of helped me not really focus on not having my watch. Plus my treadmill does track like how many miles I'm running and distance and everything. So I did have that, but not having my Apple Watch is like the day didn't happen. So I'm waiting on Sefton to wake up so he can find it for me, because he knows how to go on my phone and like locate, like find my items. I lose my AirPods all the time and he always finds them for me through my phone. I was just chatting with my friend Bree on Instagram and I was just telling her like Sefton is the tech savvy one in the family. Like he's really good at like tech stuff. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna get ready. They're outside cutting the grass. And I'm gonna get myself ready for the day. I'm just gonna do my usual situation. And that'll be it. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch because there's no need of me talking. Alright guys, so I just got a few packages in from Amazon and I thought I would share them with you all. So the first item I have, if you guys saw my last vlog, I purchased like tech organizer and I'm really trying to do better with keeping my like camera and equipment a little bit more organized, because the other day I dropped my camera and I about had a heart attack. That was all I needed to get organized. Also, I needed to get an external hard drive because I'm so embarrassed to say this, but I never use the external hard drive, and the fact that I make all these videos and I've been saving them onto my computer is really bad. And it was causing some issues with like me uploading videos. And so got an external hard drive. Now I will be saving everything to that and not my computer, because it was just like clogging my computer storage up and just causing all types of drama. So I picked up this camera case organizer specifically for my camera, which is the Sony ZV-1. I'm actually filming on it now, so I'll do a split screen and you guys can see. So it has a handle, which is really nice. And I picked the case that was specific to my camera because my Sony comes with a tripod as well. So I wanted it to be able to hold my camera, my tripod, extra batteries, battery chargers, and cords. And so here is what it looks like. Just pretty simple, but as you can see in the split screen, I'm sure I'm showing you somewhere here, it holds all of my equipment just fine. And then this with my other little pouch that I have for like other chargers and batteries and stuff. So yeah, I'm so happy to have this because now I can just like make sure that I keep my camera and stuff protected, because this camera is not cheap and I do not want to have to repurchase it. So I got that. And then if you guys remember, also in my last vlog, I was kind of like having mom guilt, but not really mom guilt. That's like, I know you guys don't really like get my sense of humor on here, and so a lot of people were like, don't feel bad, you're a great mom, da 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 da. I'm like, I know that, guys, I was being sarcastic a little bit, but yeah, that's just my personality. Like, don't take me seriously, please don't. 9 times out of 10 I am just like joking. Anyway, I did not find the grocery cart cover in Bye Bye Baby, but I did find one on Amazon, and it came today as well. So it's by... Really? Did you just throw that at me?
Frisbee.
Don't be throwing stuff. Don't you throw stuff at me. So the company is called Binky Baby, and I tried to find the like nicest one that I could find. I didn't want anything with a bunch of like monkeys, giraffes, and koala bears on it. I just wanted a really just nice looking cover. Be careful. But I also wanted to get one that was comfortable because the cards are like hard and uncomfortable. So here it is. It's just all black. I'll pop up a photo so you guys can see how it looks. It does have a little window here where I can like put my phone in and he can watch like Sesame Street or one of his little like shows that he likes to watch. And then it has like these little black little like teething little rings on the end for him to like chew on, because y'all know I said he loves to put stuff in his mouth. So I like that, and it's just really nice. It also has a little strap where you can strap them in. So yeah, I'm happy to have this now. And I also like that you can just like fold it up inside of the thing. How does this go? And so like once you're done with it, you can just like fold it up, and it has this little Velcro and just a little pouch. So very nice. I can just keep this in the car and or in my bag if I'm carrying like my tote bag. And yeah, so I got him the cover, and we'll be testing that out today actually, because we have to go to the store. So I'm gonna make sure that I bring that for him. And then I got him some more of the sippy cups that he loves. When it comes to sippy cups with babies, you kind of have to just try them all until you find one that your baby likes. Fortunately, this was one of the first sippy cups that I tried with him, and he took right to it. And so I am in the process of weaning him off of the boob. And so right now he's just doing a bottle with milk. and then in his sippy cup we do water. But once he turns 1, we'll just be doing like just regular milk. I'm trying to find like a good plant-based milk for him so that we don't have to do cow's milk. But in the meantime, we're just using the sippy cups for water. And so I got him another pack of the Dr. Brown's because these are the ones that he seems to like the best. And I was looking for them in Buy My Baby. That's what I was like browsing around for. But they didn't have this color combo. And yeah, the blues and greens and oranges and like, I don't like that. So I found these. They came in a set of 2. So you get a black one and then you get like this cream color. And I like these because they also have handles. So it's easy for him to hold. And these are, let's see, how many ounces is this? It's 9 fluid ounces for each one. So I picked those up for him. And they come with a little lid. Just really nice and, you know, my aesthetic. So I got those for him. And yeah, that's everything that I got today from Amazon. So yeah, I'll bring you guys with us to go out and run to the store, pick up a few things for the house, because it is Monday and we're kind of just like doing our, you know, weekly shopping and things that we need for the week for the house. And so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And then that'll be it for the day. Sefton has Kumon later this evening. But other than that, we don't have anything else planned. So yeah, I'm gonna go and I'll bring you guys with us. All right, bye. All right, so we have made it to the car, getting ready to run to Target, everybody's favorite place. Someone asked if I'm still making my own iced coffees. Absolutely. Have not been to Starbucks in almost a month. It's almost August, and have not been to one Starbucks. Actually, I've been to Starbucks twice for my mom. She got her drink. I didn't get anything. So I'm telling y'all, it's all mental. It's all mental. Actually gonna pick up some iced coffee while we're in Target. I'm glad I just said that because I need to get some more coffee and creamer. But yeah, I am loving making my own iced coffees. And you know, I'm not saying I won't ever go back to Starbucks, but I'll probably be waiting until fall when they start doing the fall drinks, because I do love me a good pumpkin spice latte. I do love all of the holiday drinks. I'm not writing them off for good, but for now, these iced coffees are just fine, the ones I'm making from home. And I am saving so much money by just buying my own and making them at home. So yeah. All right, kiddos are all strapped in. Everybody's got their seatbelt on. I gotta put my seatbelt on. And yeah, let's go. All right.
Hi.
I think you might need a smaller one.
He's like, whoa. This is bad. Alright, I like this bad. Hold on. What I was looking for. But I can't get it. I need it. It makes Gatorade. You know I like it.
How much is that?
Like $17.
It's a lot.
That's not a lot. It's $18.
Who else can have? No.
Yeah, that's good, right? Alright guys, it is the next morning and I just wanted to come on really quick before I close out the vlog because I got a little package from Nécessaire. So they recently launched their very first sunscreen. I got the email notification and I instantly went to the website and placed my order. So this video is not sponsored. I paid for this with my money, but you can use my code. I'm excited to try it out because I literally just got out the shower, just did my skincare, just pulled my hair back in a ponytail. Here's the sunscreen. Oh, update on the watch. Stephanie was able to locate the last location, which was the laundry room, but it's not in there. So we're still looking. It's in this house somewhere because I have not had it outside of the house at all. So it's somewhere in here. We just got to take the time to look for it. So that's the update on the watch. But here it is. And it says for face and body, broad spectrum sun protection, pollution protection. The sunscreen is a daily multi-protective treatment for the skin. Apply all over body and face, fragrance free. Ingredients 20% zinc oxide. So yeah, mineral SPF 30, which we love, a good mineral SPF. So yeah, let's try it out. So it has a little pump. Hold on, let me wash my hands. All right, so my hands are clean. Just gonna, I guess, do like that much. It's not too bad, but there is a slight white cast. I'll give it a shot. I'll add it to the rotation. This may be one that will be good for mixing with like my tinted moisturizers or something like that. But yeah, I'm not mad at it. So we'll see. It feels good. It's not greasy. It doesn't have a scent at all. It's fragrance free. But yeah. So I'm gonna test it out for the day, see how it wears, and give you guys an update. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.